friends, now that we know the structure of amines and their classification too, let us see how do we name those ammonia driven compounds known as amines, right? Just to recall, amines are derived from ammonia by replacing one or more hydrogen atom of the ammonia molecule by an alkyl or a aryl group. So we know that for any organic compound, we start with the common names first. So in common system, an amine, let us see how it is named, an aliphatic amine. By aliphatic I mean straight chained amine. It is named by prefixing the alkyl group to amine and writing alkyl amine as one word. For example, this is CH3NH2, right? So this is nothing but methane group. So the common name for this amine would be methyl amine, right? How about common names from secondary and tertiary amines? Do you remember, by the way, what secondary and tertiary amines are? See, when we replace one atom of ammonia, one hydrogen atom of ammonia by an alkyl or aryl group, we call it a primary amine. When two hydrogen atoms are replaced, it becomes a secondary amine, and when all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced, we call it a tertiary amine. So, in case of secondary and tertiary amines, we identify the parent alkane, right, as in the previous case, and then give it the name di or tri. So, in this case, what is the parent alkane? It is methane, right, and hence the name dimethyl amine. One thing to notice over here, students sometimes confuse it with ethylamine, right? In a hurry when you are in an exam, you think that the parent alkane is having two carbon atoms, which means it is an ethyl group. But we must remember that these are, in this case, we have only one hydrogen atom, which means two hydrogen atoms have been replaced, right? So two different methyl groups have replaced one hydrogen atom each, and not that one ethyl group has replaced one hydrogen atom. So take care of this point. So in this case, parent alkane is methane and answer is dimethyl amine. Alright, how about this? We have two hydrogen atoms here, which means only one has been replaced by ethane, and hence the name is ethylamine, whereas for this guy it is dimethylamine. You get what I am trying to say? When only one hydrogen atom is, in both the cases, we have two carbon atoms, but this is known as ethylamine and this is known as dimethylamine. Okay, now we come to the IUPAC naming of amines. We replace E of the parent hydrocarbon with an amine. For example, this is a compound having a common name, methylamine.